Welcome to A Taste of K. In this quick tip video, I'll show you how I store bell peppers in the freezer. I'll be using red and green bell peppers, but feel free to use any bell peppers of your choice. Starting off with clean bell peppers, you will cut off the top, remove the seeds as well as the membrane. Slice the bell peppers into whatever thickness you like. Rinse the bell peppers and drain. Add the sliced bell peppers into a freezer storage bag and store them in a freezer for future use. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.